Hi folks, this is Corliss Nelson with Corliss Nelson Woodworks. I wanted to share an idea that I had with you for a poor man's heat stick. I was in a pawn shop the other day and I saw this soldering iron minus the tip, and it was the kind that has a set screw, and I thought, I looked at that opening and I said, you know, I could probably, if I could find a piece of copper wire, I could put that in that opening and have a heat stick, you know, like the one like StewMac sells, for a whole lot less. So I picked up the soldering tool and I was able to find a piece of copper wire at Home Depot. I tried Lowe's, but they only sold it in a package, a coiled package. But Home Depot had it by the foot, so I bought a foot of number 6 gauge copper wire, and that cost me 87 cents. So for roughly around $5 and change invested, I was able to turn this piece of copper wire down to the right dimension. It comes at 165 thousandths or thereabouts, and what I needed was 125 thousandths. And so with a little bit of coarse sandpaper and eventually using metal files to grind it down using my drill, I got it down to 165 thousandths, and it works just fine. I 9/64 drill bit picked up on Amazon that's 6 inches long, so that's plenty long for this, but as you see here, it works just fine, just like if you were resetting a neck. You know, you could drop it down in there, and I only paid about under $6 for the materials, and so I thought it was worth a try, and it works great. I heated this soldering tool up after I put this in, and it gets super hot. It melts solder instantly on the tip, so you know it's got plenty of heat conduction. As soft copper is a real good conductor of current, so I don't see any downside to this at all, and it works great. So if you're in the market for something like this, you might give that a whirl, because it worked fine for me. I hope this is beneficial to you.